y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to break down a flying side kick in 3 simple steps. Now let's get started. All right, let's break down this flying side kick. Obviously the prerequisite for this is going to be being able to do a side kick. All right, once you have that down, 3 simple steps: run, jump, and kick. I'll break it down a little bit more for you though. First thing is a run. Really, you don't want to think of like sprinting into it, you want to think of a light jog. So first thing, light jog. All right, the second step is going to be the jump. This is like really the only thing you have to pay attention to. The jump, you're going to plant the kick, the non-kicking foot. You're going to plant that on the ground. The kicking leg is going to swing up into your side kick chamber as you jump off that planted foot. So you do the jog, plant, swing, jump into your side kick chamber. Step number 3, once you have that down, all you have to do is extend that side kick out. So you jog, plant, swing, jump, and then kick it out. And that's your flying side kick in 3 steps: run, jump, kick. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to let me know what other kicks you would like to see me break down in the next video in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and if you guys would like to join my next Zoom class, make sure you visit alexwongtkd.com for more details. I'll see you guys in the next video.